Welcome to a unique two-part episode of Debriefing Design. For part 1, we'll review our thoughts during the initial walkthrough of this master suite and how we used the client's inspiration photos to come up with our spa-inspired master bath retreat. By the end of this two-part special, you will see how we transformed the small, dated master bath into a multifunctioning retreat future plan for our mobility-limited clients. This is Operation Accessibly Modern, Part 1. Our Wanderlust clients are disabled veterans. They enjoy taking vacation cruises and attending shows in Las Vegas. After owning their home for nearly 2 decades, they decided to splurge on their outdated builder bathroom to give it a complete transformation worthy of the luxury spa and resorts they frequently visited during their travels. Locked in on a specific style of bathroom they were looking for, they contacted us to bring their vision to life. For our initial consultation, we were quite impressed with the nearly 150 square foot existing master bath, but shocked at the wasted 70 square feet in the middle of the room. For such a spacious master bath, it certainly did not take advantage of the usable floor space. There were some concerns regarding an existing partition wall between the vanity and shower and soffit over the vanity and whether they would impact our ability to open up the floor plan and start over on the space planning. But we pushed forward with our design using a best-case scenario tactic. After chatting with our clients and learning their daily activities, we learned that the wife got ready for work early in the morning and loved to take baths. The husband, on the other hand, was having some mobility issues and persistent back pain and preferred to take showers. Learning about their potential disability, we immediately sought out to incorporate universal design features into the new master retreat. As our bodies age, even the healthiest of us may start to exhibit some physical limitations without necessarily being disabled. Common changes for an aging body include arthritis, joint pain, muscle loss, and vision impairment. In our commercial design work, we follow the guidelines set forth by the American with Disabilities Act, commonly known as the ADA, and provide mobility through a building for people with disabilities. These may include individuals with impairments and/or the loss of use of sight, sound, or limbs. In this master bath design, we adapted pieces of the ADA guidelines to accommodate for our clients' mobility limitations. The main challenge we designed around was the possibility of the husband ending up in a wheelchair in the future. Wheelchairs typically take up 30 by 48 inches of floor space and require a 60-inch turning circle for maneuvering. Due to the architectural limitations in our existing space, we pre-planned for an ambulatory toilet stall by removing the cased opening and reinforcing the side walls with plywood blocking so it would be ready to support the weight from the use of grab bars in the future. As a result of the modern aesthetic we were trying to achieve, we were able to design a custom floating vanity to take advantage of a couple of functions. 1. To give extra depth for incorporating storage from losing the bottom portion of a standard vanity cabinet, and 2. To allow for a wheelchair footrest to clear the bottom of the vanity. Our clients loved the idea of a wet room, which was a trend we were frequently seeing where a freestanding shower and bathtub were combined into one glass enclosed room. However, after learning that the wife likes to take baths on a regular basis, we cautioned them on a wet room design. Design tip. Clients often do not realize that a wet room doesn't allow a user showering and another bathing to simultaneously occupy the space as the person bathing is constantly splashed by the shower. Also, they are constantly needing to clean the bathtub due to the soap and shampoo residue overspray from the shower. For our client's routine, we came up with a design that kept a similar aesthetic to the wet room, but shifted the glass wall and split the shower and bathtub. We took advantage of the expansive window on the back wall of the bathroom and utilized it for an oversized wall-to-wall shower with body sprays located based on the husband's height to target problem areas on his back and legs. The shower was plumbed with a digital valve system, so our client didn't have to worry about physically turning a shower handle and control the shower from the touchpad on the wall. We also made the shower curbless and the frameless shower door wider to accommodate a wheelchair in the future. To anticipate for the potential loss of temperature while bathing, we specified a freestanding bathtub with a built-in recirculating heater so the water would always be warm. In terms of addressing aging eyesight, we overlit the entire space and installed dimmer switches so our clients could adjust the brightness of the space as their eyesight changes over time. As we age, our eyes require more light to see, so this is a design tactic we utilize frequently in any of our designs to help future-proof spaces for our clients. For this bathroom, We also added various types of lighting to give our clients their spa retreat feel. At the vanity, we designed wall-mounted sconces on either side of the mirrors, plus downlighting in the ceiling. Under the vanity, we incorporated a motion sensor nightlight so our clients could walk around at night with ease. In the shower, we specified a 0.7 zone humidity sensing ventilation fan with integrated LED lighting so the shower would be bright and quiet. Over in the bathtub, we gave the space some jewelry with a copper ribbon pendant. We provided ambiance to the entire space by giving a halo to the floating wood soffit that delineated the wet area. This project was a design challenge in balancing high-end features and our client's budget. After getting initial bids from our wishlist design, we had to sit down with our client and decide which items to cut. We hope you've enjoyed this episode. In part 2, we'll show you some of the design tips and tricks we utilized to make this luxury spa oasis a reality for our clients without sacrificing on the design. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback about this project. Thank you for joining us this week on Debriefing Design. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications for new episodes. Operation Accessibly Modern Part 1, Case Closed.